Welcome to visareservation.com. Our aim is to make applying for visas easier than ever. If you're planning on travelling to Europe, you may need a visa to be able to enter any of the 26 countries in the Schengen area. The Schengen visa application process can sometimes be a little daunting, and rightly so, with a long list of documents to be submitted plus other documentation such as invitation letters or sponsorship letters. Another one to add to the list may be a No Objection Letter. But what is this and why might you need it? Don't worry, here at Visa Reservation we want to help you understand everything there is to know about applying for visas. So with that in mind, let's take a look at everything you need to know about the No Objection Letter and how to get one for yourself. What is the No Objection Letter? The No Objection Letter, or NOC, is a letter from your employer, school or university that states that you have certain long-term commitments and obligations in your home country that you can't afford to abandon, and that you'll be returning home once your visit period is over. It basically states that you have the permission to leave the country without any objection from them. This letter also declares that you have the financial means to independently cover the cost of your own expenses without support from your employer or university. The No Objection Letter from your employer or educational institution guarantees your visa issuing officer that you're planning to return to your home country after your visit, and that you're not going to be a burden on the country you're visiting in any way, such as illegally leaving your home country and securing employment in the country you're visiting. Also, your primary purpose of keeping the NOC along with the rest of the documents is that you stand a higher chance of getting your visa approved. Is the NOC for tourist visa required in all countries? There are some countries such as the UK or USA who state that the No Objection Letter is mandatory. However, even though it isn't required by some countries, it wouldn't hurt to include it along with your other documents to gain the best chance of approval. Remember, not all applications are accepted, so it's better to include too much rather than too little. The best thing to do is check the required documents carefully to know whether the No Objection Letter is mentioned or not. To be sure, you can also contact the embassy and inquire whether it would be good to attach a letter of no objection along with the other requested documents. What to include in a No Objection Letter? The No Objection Letter should indicate that the company does not have any objection to you travelling abroad during your holidays. When you write a No Objection Letter, the most important thing is to be specific and pay attention to each and every little detail. This letter should, of course, be written in a formal business letter format. Remember to include your name, role, salary, purpose of visit and leave period. Since the letter is from the employer to the immigration office, it should also have the full name and signature of your employer, the official address, as well as the official seal of the company. Things to remember while drafting a No Objection Letter. There are certain important things that you need to remember while drafting your letter. Keep it formal. Since a No Objection Letter is sent to the visa officials who screen you thoroughly before approving your application, professionalism is the way to go. Don't be too descriptive. You don't have to be too advanced in the use of your language or extremely narrative, which might give them the wrong impression. So a short and simple letter is best. Start with a standard greeting. Addressing the reviewing authority with a standard greeting like "Dear Sir" or "Madam" is the most suitable greeting for this formal letter. Sign off using the full name and address of the employer or NOC issuer. Even though it may be you who's drafting the whole letter, it's critical that you write on behalf of your employer or institution. So you might need to include the full name of your employer and complete address of the company that's issuing the No Objection Letter to you. This way, the embassy officials can easily find your company or organisation, if in case they're in need of a quick background check. Get it duly signed and sealed from your organisation. The sign from your employer, along with the official seal of your company, in fact seals the trust, so ensure that you don't miss that at any cost. Where to get the No Objection Letter from? The No Objection Letter is provided by your employer or by your school or university if you're studying. You can ask your employer or institution to provide an NOC with a sign and seal from them. On the other hand, in order to be sure of the content of the letter and how relevant it is for your visa, you can draft your own No Objection Letter or use a suitable template from the internet. However, we've come across many instances where it's been slightly more difficult for the applicant to obtain a free No Objection Letter for the employer or university due to workloads, or they might refuse to provide a free no objection letter until the leave is approved. Plus, internet templates might not include all the relevant information that has to be included. Here is a sample of what a good no objection letter looks like. As you can see, the letter states the name, role, salary, country to be visited, and the purpose of the trip, the no objection statement, and the length of the leave and the correct signature. Visa reservation can help you get a free no objection letter easily. We have a friendly support team of people that can take care of it. Simply inform us about it while selecting the right package for your flight itinerary or hotel booking. We have several professional templates for no objection letters that are accepted by different embassies of the world, and our team can help you with this part of the application. So now you know all about no objection letters, it's time to get your application started. But if you're not sure where to begin, our friendly team can guide you through all the steps involved in applying for a Schengen visa. All you need to do is contact us at www.visareservation.com. Visa reservation can also help with flight and hotel reservation, travel insurance, travel guides, visa interview guides, and much more. Remember, if you need assistance with visas, check out our blog page where you'll find many articles about applying for visas. Plus, you can also refer to any of the resources, tips, and links included in this video. Thanks for watching.